Stay and subscribe for job quitting tips. Your skills are digital gold. Join our free training in the description below to cash in. I've got a quirky tale ahead for you. I'd like to share a story about Carlos, a barista dreaming of ditching his day job. He tried selling coffee beans online and he spilled more than he sold. Then he made a $40 Barista Tricks ebook, shared it on Instagram, and automated sales. Now he is pocketing $4,000 a month. Latte, anyone? And your gig could be next. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Are you stuck in that 9-to-5 trap and you're wanting to make money online? Have you ever tried selling junk online or caching trends? You're lost on what to sell and how all the tech stuff works. Let's spill the coffee beans on that. Brew up freedom with digital gold. Here's the recipe. Stir in the skills. If you've got dance moves or do-it-yourself tips, make a course or guide or tech support stirs it up. Number 1, stir your skills. If you've got dance moves or do-it-yourself tips, make a course or a guide. Our tech support will stir it up. Number 2, serve it hot. Use YouTube shorts or emails to sell. No barista skills needed. And number 3, automate the pour. Set sales on autopilot for 90% profits while you sip. Ditch the apron, solve problems, and cash in. Are you needing a break? Our free training in the description brews up digital product success. Go ahead and take a sip now. We've spilled coffee trying to make money online, and at times we've had to learn the hard way. Our digital grower system will help you through the tech and support you along the way. And we're here to save your shirt. Real spills, but real wins. Are you ready to ditch the job? Grab our free training in the description to create, sell, and automate your digital product. Like, subscribe, and let's toast to cash. See you in the next video.